Just after 9 p.m., a commercial alarm at a Truist Bank in Tamarack, Florida, sent officers racing to the scene. What they found wasn't a break-in, but something far more suspicious. A man, wearing gloves and covering his face, stood at the ATM. In his hands, a card that wasn't his, and a fraudulent check ready to be deposited. What began as a routine alarm call quickly turned into a fraud investigation, and it was all caught on Bodycam.
Honestly, sir, I don't want to get in trouble, man.
Well, what are you doing?
I'm literally just dropping something for someone, literally, boss. To be completely honest with you. I'm clean. You can look me up. This is me right here. And you can see my face. Go ahead.
703. Have 5 and India 2 meet me in the front. I'm 2-5 with a blackmail. 10-8. What are you dropping off for somebody?
Check. Right here.
Check for who? Who is it to you?
My friend.
Okay, who is your friend?
Huh?
Who's your friend?
It says it right there on the card.
Right. Okay. And you're trying to drop the check off here and put it in here. Why are you wearing gloves, though? I'm confused as to what's going on, man. We had an alarm go off here. Now you're outside in front of the bank. You got gloves on, a mask on, and you're trying to feed this check that kind of looks bogus inside the Truist Bank. So I'm confused as to what.
Honestly, boss, I'm sorry, man.
Have you ever been arrested before?
No, I've got into an altercation with my.
Why are you trying to put in a check for somebody else?
Honestly, I just got called. It was like, hey.
Who called you?
My friend, man.
A friend from where? Who's the friend?
Let's just detain him until we find out what's going on. We're just going to detain you, man. You're not under arrest or anything.
Give me his wallet.
Who's this?
Who's that?
Here's this ID. You got any weapons or anything on you? What is all this? Here, look.
Here, hold this one.
Here's De-Escalate. Put this stuff in there.
Put your hands together, man.
You got him, Rob?
Here, let me see your cuffs, man. Double lock. No, just
Both of them here?
yep.
It's big anyway.
Just detained, all right? No,
Yeah,
under arrest.
you're not in trouble or anything, man.
Same fella, right?
Just drop the gloves. Yeah, you can go right there. Leave them right there. You understand why we're detaining you, all right? Just seems a little odd. You're out here. The alarm went off. We came to check the alarm, and then I come over here. You got a mask and gloves on, and say you're putting in checks in for your friend. It just kind of makes no sense, you know?
That's it.
So domestic?
Yeah, but it was literally a misunderstanding between the both of us. That's it. And then that was
How long you been out here?
I literally just got here, boss.
Is this stuff from you too?
Nope. I don't know anything else that's going on.
Do you drive here?
Yes, sir. I actually parked over at 7-Eleven.
Why would you do that?
I literally just, because I came here to come to the Truist, and I missed my turn. I was like, you know what, the Truist is going to go, so I just parked over at the 7-Eleven. My car is on and off, literally.
You want to just put them in my car for now?
Yeah, just put you in a car for now, all right, man? You know,
Are all those
He says no, but I haven't looked at him yet. I'm going to go put him in my car for now. Just double check him again, Rob, before you put him in.
Did they make you go to like any anger management class or anything? Nothing, they just dropped it.
Right, man?
No, sir.
Where were you at? Were you only at this ATM right here in the front?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
All right, just have a seat so we figure out what's going on.